Willa, what are you looking for? Yeah? What are you looking for out there? You see the flowers? Willa, are there any birds? Can you say bird? Yeah? Oh, are you tired on this Friday morning? Careful. Careful. You're being a squirrel. Willoughby, be careful. Stop. Oh, you're not. You're coming down. You're coming down on the ground now. Yep, they're out there. They're probably sleeping. Birds go night-night. Yeah, they're go night-night. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Willa, how old are you? How old are you? Hey! Girlfriend! Yeah, how old are you? Peach, how old are you? Can you say one? Yeah, good job. Can you say mama? Say, no, no, listen, say mama. Say dada. Say dada. Oh, you're being a squirrel. Say dada. Say dada. Say dada. Oh, you give love. Hey, can you say Murray? Moo. Can you say Elmo? Not the coffee. Can you say Elmo? Willa. Can you say Melmo? Can you say baby? What are you doing? Girl. Are you dancing? Hey, can you say baby?
Baby.
Good job.
Baby.
Can you say ball? Willa, Kate, look at me. Can you say ball? Ball. Willa, what are you focusing on? Oh, a nice book. Can you say book? Good job. Can you say nana?
Nana.
Can you say water? You want to read that? Can you say please? Say book, please. Okay. Oh, no, there's birds out there. Can you say I love you? Love you too, baby.